In today's video, I will show you how to check Binance verification status. For that, you need to launch your Binance mobile application, and if your account is verified, then you won't be able to see any of the pop-ups that would say to verify your account. So you just have to make sure that there is no verify option available, and if the verify option available, it simply means that you have to verify your account again. Second thing that you can notice is you can simply use the wallet tab in the bottom right hand corner, or you can even find the spot pair and you can try to buy the crypto in your Binance account. If you are able to purchase it successfully, then you don't need to actually verify anything, as your verification is completed on Binance. Third thing that you can do is you can simply check your email address, because within the 24 hours of your application submission, you get the email from your Binance account. So you just have to simply check your email address and see whether you have the verification email. If you have it, then it simply means that your verification status is now completed. So thanks for watching this video. I see you next time.